Welcome to Standard 5, Term 2, Unit 2, Poem The Swimmer. And the poem is about the swimmer. Do you like sports? Yes, swimming also one type of sport. How many of you like swimming? Swimming is a good exercise. It gives peaceful mind to us. Let's see what about the swimmer in the poem. Some important activity in swimming. Swimming is a good all around activity because it keeps your heart rate up but takes some of the impact stress of your body. Builds endurance, muscle strength and cardiovascular fitness. Helps maintain a healthy weight, healthy heart and lungs. Tones muscles and builds strength. These are the importance of swimming. Glossary. Strokes, a particular style of moving the arms and legs in swimming. Ribs, pull something quickly or forcefully. Cheer, expressing good wishes. Flair, ability or talent. Strain, force. Give up, surrender. Pace, speed. Might, strength. Might means strength. She stands still and tall. She seems greater than all. She dives like the fish. To be like her, one can only wish. She swims with perfect flight, her strokes like dancing light. She breathes air and rips across the water with a flare. She stands still and tall, she seems greater than all. She is ready to jump from the top of the roof. Yes, the swimmers, they jump from the top and she is get ready for the competition. And then she is greater than all. She is greater than all. Yes. She dives like the fish. How she dives? See how she dives? She dives like a fish. To be like her, one can only wish. Yes, we will like her only, but we cannot do like her because she practiced very well for this swimming. She swims with perfect flight, her strokes like dancing light. Yes, she swim with a perfect strokes and how was the strokes? It looks like a dancing light. It looks like a dancing light. She breathes air and rips across the water with a flare. She breathes air and rips across the water with a flare. He breathes the air. Even she is swimming, but he breathes the air and he crossed the water quickly. He crossed the water quickly like a talented person. Flare means talented. Rips means pull the water quickly and forcibly. Yes, she pulls the water quickly and forcefully because she was a talented person in swimming. Up ahead, the audience cheer. She knows that the finishing line is near. She picks up her pace as she wants to win the race. Straining with all her might, she never gives up the fight. As she reaches the wall, her name as winner they call. Up ahead, the audience cheer as she knows that the finish line is near. Yes, the audience cheered because she was nearing the finishing line, so that she knows the finishing line is near. As she picks up her pace as she wants to win the race. She picked up her pace as she wanted to win the race. She picked up the race. Pace means what? She picked up the pace. He was he rise up the speed of the swim. He rise up the speed of the wind so that she can win the race. Straining with all her might, she never gives up the fight. So his he put all the force in the swimming. He put all the force in the swimming, and she never gives up the fight. She never give up. She never surrender. Okay, she wants to win. So he put all the force in the swimming. As she reaches the wall, her name as winner they call. As she reached the wall of the finishing line, they call her as winner. Yes, when she reached the wall of the finishing line, they call her as winner. This is the final thing. Yes, they called her as a winner. So children, never give up the fight. Have to try and give the full force and effort in the competition, whatever it may be. This is swimming. Okay, whatever it may be, you can give the full effort to the competition. So never give up the fight. A rhyming word. What are the rhyming words here? In first two lines, cheer, near. In second two lines, pace, race. Then might, fight. Wall, call. Tall, all. Fish, wish. Flight, light. Air, flare. These are the rhyming words in this poem. Let's remember again the poem. How she dives? He dives like a fish. She swims with a perfect flight. Her strokes are compared to the dancing light. She rips across the water with a flower. What does it mean by flower? Flower means full talented person. The girl seemed greater than all. Her strokes were like dancing light. So the audience cheered because she was nearing the finishing line. So she picked up her pace as she wanted to win the race. So she never gave up the fight. She never gave up the fight. When she reached the wall of the finishing line, they called her as winner. They called her as winner. So this is the end of the poem. Thanks for listening, children. Thank you.